Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween costumes with what we believe is the best tiger lily costume for women available in the market. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner Native American princess, stay tuned. Let's start with what you get in this fabulous ensemble. You're provided with a stunning dress, a head-turning headband, and a chic belt. Everything you need to transform into the iconic tiger lily character. Now, let's talk about quality. Crafted from durable polyester material, this costume is not only reliable and sturdy but also resistant to wear and tear. You can trust it to hold up through all your Halloween adventures. Whether you're attending a Halloween party, a carnival, or even a cosplay event, this costume is suitable for a variety of occasions. With its authentic design and attention to detail, you're sure to stand out wherever you go. And here's a neat feature. The headband is adjustable to ensure a perfect fit for all heights. Plus, with a range of sizes available, finding the right fit for you is a breeze. Now, let's talk about maintenance. When your costume inevitably gets a bit dirty from all the fun, simply toss it in the wash with a gentle detergent. Easy peasy. Just keep in mind that due to the nature of the material, the color may fade slightly after the first few washes. But hey, that's normal. So, if you're ready to make a statement this Halloween and channel your inner tiger lily, look no further than this fabulous costume. Don't forget to hit that Add to Cart button and get ready to wow the crowd. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay fabulous.